Hey guys, this is Robert. You're watching Backyard Bodyworks. Today we're working on the garden shed. I have started staking out the perimeter for the batter boards using a 3x4x5 method, which means it's 3 feet this way and 4 feet that way and 5 feet on the diagonal. That's it's called the 3-4-5 method. That's how you figure up your square. Now remember, this isn't an actual do it your how-to video. More along the lines as a video blog as to what we do here and the projects that we have. So if there's a better way, by all means leave comments below. And thanks for watching, and we'll go ahead and get started getting the back corner over here and finishing squaring up this corner. These two are already square, and then we'll square the whole building to perimeter to make sure that the actual perimeter is square. And the way you do that is you just take the diagonals, and if those measurements are within a certain amount, say 25 feet, if they're not within 25 feet, if they're 25 feet by 25 feet across the diagonal, then your opening's pretty square, and we can go ahead and put up our batter boards and run our string and plumb bob the corners of the building. Stay tuned. Alright, I have got the first side of the batter boards done on the sides here. As you can see, it looks like it's pretty good size off the ground there, and we got it pretty much setting almost on the ground here. I don't know what the permit people say when they come to inspect the foundation, but I'm going to dig all that out, just to be on the safe side. And I was using what's called a line level. And it's, as you can see by the bubble there, that the line I have is pretty much right where I want it. And I've marked on the stakes where the next batter board's going to go on this side, and then I'm just going to work around and go down that side and then go around the back side, and hopefully everything will meet and everything will be level. So that's it for today. I'm starting to lose the light. You know, this is the fall and we're getting ready to go to daylight savings time next weekend, so which means I'll have a lot less daylight to do what I want to do. So we will see you next time, and remember, always like and subscribe below if you like what we're doing. If you find it interesting, that's great. You know, leave comments if you see something that, you know, make an observation that you know I might not necessarily pick up on. By all means, leave it in the comments below, and I'll respond. Other than that, everybody have a wonderful day, and happy Halloween. Yeah, that's right, today's the 31st. I totally forgot. Guess I got to go get changed. Bye.